What if I told you that your next sketchbook isn't paper, and it doesn't even need charging? That's right. For digital artists, a new device has just dropped that could completely change how you draw on the go. It's slim, it's affordable, and it works on Windows, Mac, and even ChromeOS. But here's the kicker. It gives you the feel of traditional drawing without the downsides of batteries or lag. Stay with me because this little 14-inch screen hides something most tablets in its price range don't. Meet the Wacom One 14, DTC 141. At first glance, it's just a lightweight pen display, a 14-inch 1080p screen that plugs right into your laptop or desktop with a single USB-C or Thunderbolt 3 cable. No power bricks, no complicated setup, just connect and draw. The screen itself is a Full HD IPS panel with anti-glare and anti-fingerprint coating, so you don't get that glossy reflection while working. It covers 98% of the sRGB color gamut, has a 285 nit brightness and a 16 millisecond response time. Solid specs for a portable art display. But here's where things get interesting. The pen. Wacom's battery-free EMR pen doesn't just save you from charging, it feels almost identical to drawing with real pencils or brushes. With 4,096 pressure levels, 2,540 lines per inch resolution, and up to 60 degrees of tilt support, every stroke captures nuance, whether you're sketching fine line work or laying down bold, painterly strokes. And the best part? You can start creating right away. Wacom bundles software trials like Clip Studio Paint Pro, but if you're on a budget, open-source tools like Krita give you professional-level features for free. The whole thing weighs just 0.75 kilograms, measures only 10 millimeters thin, and fits easily into a backpack. Plus, if your laptop doesn't have USB-C with DisplayPort Alt mode, Wacom sells an adapter for HDMI setups too. So what's the big deal? The Wacom One 14 takes professional pen technology, the kind usually reserved for higher-end tablets, and brings it to a portable $299.95 package. That's a game changer for students, hobbyists, and even pro artists who want a travel-ready setup without breaking the bank. If you've ever wanted the precision of Wacom's Pentic without the premium price, this is it.